Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Look here. Many of you are asking me about, what is a way right now to make money online in 2021, okay? Now listen, I'm going to show you undeniable proof right here in this video here, okay? How I am doing right now, okay? I'm doing this right now. $52,000, and I'm going to show you proof. See that? $52,000. That's my earnings in Wesley Virgin's account. Now, for you to make money like this, you have to watch this video many times. One time is not enough. It's like reading a book. You can read a great book one time, but you'll forget everything. Listen, repetition is the mother of skill. Listen to it over and over again, and one day, very soon, you'll see money like this in your account, okay? $52,000. And I'm also going to put a link below so you're going to get access to this faster here. So basically, I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, okay? Basically, I'm going to be very honest with you, and these guys paid me over and over again. And the great thing about it, I spent no money, a zero budget to make this money. And for the first time on the internet, first time on YouTube, and for you, big head, I'm going to show you how I did this without spending any money. And this is the reason why I was able to afford the Versace wallpaper that cost me $10,000 on all these beautiful walls here. It's because of this money that I'm making on autopilot every single year, month, every 2 months here. But guess what? You're going to make the money online right now, okay? Now listen, if you already have a ClickFunnels account, forget about that. Like, delete that account. Don't worry about that. Let me show you what you need to do, okay? So look, let me log into clickfunnels.com because I need to show you how to get your affiliate link, okay? You're gonna log in right here. You're gonna go to affiliates, okay? That's gonna take you here. So the affiliate program, now understand this. You can do this two ways. You can either get 20% or 40%. If you want 40% commissions, and that's what I wanted, right? You have to use the link that I'm gonna supply under this video, okay? If you want 20%, then you just go to clickfunnels.com and you can get your affiliate link that way, okay? But listen, I'm all about making more money. So the link under this video in the description below, I would give you that. It says ClickFunnels cheat sheet. You click it, and then once you have 40 active ClickFunnels members, you're gonna get 40%. Now listen, the average person that pays on ClickFunnels pays $97. So you get about $40 every single person that you bring in. Now, I'm gonna show you how to bring them in easy. I'm gonna show you how to get the car bonus. I got the car bonus. Right now, ClickFunnels pays for my Rolls Royce right now. I got a Rolls Royce. I paid $3,000 a month. They give me an extra $1,000 every month, and I didn't spend a dime. And now, for the first time, you don't have to buy any programs. You can be a person right now listening to this video to the very end and inspired, because today, you're gonna make money right now, okay? Does that make sense? So what you want to do is this. Once you get here, you want to click and log into your dashboard. And like I said before, the link that's in the description gives you the opportunity to get the 40% once you have 40 active members right now down under this video. Does that make sense? Now, what you want to do is you're going to see a lot of links here. Now, it's very important to pay close attention to the screen right here, because if you do this wrong, then you're going to have $0. Let me tell you what I know is working. Let me tell you what I'm using to make money right now online with this strategy. This is the reason why I have that Versace wallpaper right now on my freaking wall, because I'm using a strategy here. So you want to click on what it says, ClickFunnels Affiliate Center, okay? And then you want to click on Affiliate Tools. This one, do not use funnel scripts. Do not use network marketing secrets, because you're going to make $0. You want to make recurring income. And our goal the first week is to bring in about 10 to 20 people. 20 people, that's like $1,000 per week. How many of you can use $1,000 per week? That's $4,000 per month, basically just following the strategy that I'm giving you in the video, okay? Is everybody with me? Let's go! Smash the like button if you like when I do that. All right, look. Click on affiliate tools here. It's very simple to do this, actually. So easy. I do this in my sleep, man. So you're going to scroll down here. Scroll, please. Okay. And all you want to do is get your affiliate link. Okay. I think it's up here. There it is. See that? That's your affiliate link here. And all you do is just double click and copy. See how easy that was? That's it. Double click and copy. And listen, I'm going to tell you where to put this I'm going to tell you exactly where to go. It's very simple. It's going to be one site that you need to go to, so you'll be able to bring in people like today. It is no reason that you shouldn't bring in 10 people right now today. It's so easy. That's like $500 you can bring in right now using this very easy strategy. You can lay in your bed. I'm in my bed right now. Yes, I'm in my Versace bed right now, right? Got my Versace wallpaper. I got my amazing view, and I'm in my bed butt naked. Relax. That same thing what you should do right now. Get in your bed butt naked, get your laptop, listen to this video at least twice or 3 times, and use the strategy, okay? So you want to just click that and save that somewhere on your computer. Then you want to go to google.com and type in Make Money Online Forums. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're with me now. Like, smash the like button if you really believe that you can do this right now. Because if you can't, leave the video. You'll always be broke and you'll never understand how people like me make money. This is an honest video. I showed you my earnings, and this is what I do on a very high level to make money, okay? Make Money Online Forums here. See that? Type that into Google, okay? Scroll down. Click on this site right here. Okay. And then you just sign up. Listen, this is a money-making forum. See, a lot of people, you know what you're doing? When you take these affiliate links and you're trying to make money, you go everywhere. But you have to go to a site where it's a breeding ground for people that are trying to make money online. And you have millions of people that are trying to do that. So you go to the site. Trendy.com is one of them. Sign up for free. Now, this is what you do. No, don't post your link on this site. That's a no-no. You'll get banned. No, don't open up a forum and say, hey, guys, use my link to make money because I'm broke, average, and poor. No, don't do that. Listen, you got to finesse the system, okay? I want everybody to come at the word. You must finesse the system, baby. You got to finesse. What I do as a finesser, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to be an online finesser, okay? You're going to basically start a topic. Once you sign up, you register for free. It's simple to do. Put in your username, email address, password here, date of birth. Put a fake one. Who cares about your age, right? And listen, you don't have to use your real name. You can create a fake name, a fake picture. Doesn't matter, okay? But once you do it, what you do is you open up, you go to Make Money Online, and you start and you post a thread. And the thread will say this. Listen, write this down, okay? The thread has to say this, that, hey, I'm doing pretty well online, and I just want to give free help. Free help if you're not making $100 a day, DM me or comment below or post a thread and I'll help you for free. First 10 people. Does that make sense? You're going to post a thread, free help if you're trying to make $100 a day. That's all you're going to do. Free help if you're trying to make $100 a day. It's all free. What that's going to do, people like this, they're going to click on your link because, well, people want free help. They don't want to pay anything. Even you, big head, you don't want to pay for anything. I get it, right? But listen, it's free help. And you're going to post that and people are going to message you like crazy. This is what you do. When they start to message you, right? Say, hey, I need help. I'm doing this wrong. I need help. So what you do is, okay, are you with me? All you do so you can start making money online so you can see that 50K, like Wesley Virgin here, is you say, okay, what do you need help with? What are you currently doing? Oh, really? How's that working? Well, this. So you just ask them questions. That's it. And say, hey, what are you doing? What are you currently doing? What are your goals? What are you trying to make? Okay, great. This is what I'm doing. That's where your affiliate link comes in. You see this? That affiliate link. But let me show you something here. I want you to go to one more site. Go to bit.ly.com, okay? bit.ly.com, because I want you to shorten that URL. That's too long, right? Shorten that URL, okay? Shorten that URL. And that's the link you're going to give them. But the first thing you do is you have a conversation with these people. Does that make sense? How many of you right now, smash the like button if that makes perfect sense? Okay, you don't want to go in their inbox and say, hey, take this link. No, find out about your people first. Listen, your first goal is to bring in 10 people this week. That's $400. Does that make sense? And remember, if you want 40% As long as you have 40 active members, you can use the link that's under this video. I'm going to post in the description. You'll be able to sync it if you want 40%. If not, you get 20%, okay? That's just my link, my affiliate link, because I've been with ClickFunnels a while, and they just love me there, right? Because I make them a ton of money. So if you use that link in the description, then voila, the money will come in. So listen, your goal today is only to bring in 10 people. That's it. You just go here. You post the link, okay? You post the message here about free help to make money online. You ask them questions. And no, you don't need to be an expert. All you're going to do is find out more about them. Once you find out more about them, you say, hey, this is what I'm doing. I'm not sure if this is going to work for you. Listen, I'm not sure if this is going to work for you, but this is what I am doing. You put your link. And they click it. And you keep doing it over and over and over again. Smash the like button if that made perfect sense. If you got massive value. Now listen, you need to watch this again, okay? You need to watch this one more time. Does that make sense? You can't to understand this, for it to work, you need to watch it again. So you're going to take your laptop, okay? You're going to lay in your bed and you're going to do exactly what I just told you. Spend a couple of minutes, maybe an hour a day doing this. It's up to you. But listen, if you're bringing over 40 people, like me, I don't know, I got a lot of people, but like 40 people, like imagine making $52,000 every single month just by doing that method, which I've done. I don't spend new money to make money, right? Because I'm an online genius, and you will be an online genius as well. Smash the like button, sub to the channel if this made perfect sense. Hey guys, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Get up, let's go, motivated, dedicated, leg out.